Hello, welcome to the Advanced AI Tools tutorial of Floor Plan with Video Tours. First things first, make sure you are signed up so you can get started. When you get onto the website, go to the workspace, and from the workspace, click Advanced AI Tools. Once you're inside the Advanced AI Tools section, click Floor Plan. From there, you can select the property type, whether it's a townhouse, house, studio, condo, or villa. You can also choose how many floors and the total area of the place. Then customize the rooms. How many bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, living rooms, and dining rooms. You can also include a garage and choose the style you would like, whether 3D, 2.5D, or a technical floor plan. You can further customize by adding features like a home office, front yard, or backyard. Once you've set your custom requirements, simply click Generate Floor Plan, and there you have it. As you can see, this is a generated floor plan created in 3D. You can take a closer look at how everything is laid out. Next, we have the Video Tour feature. Go to Floor Plan, Room to Video. Here you can upload multiple images, whether it's one or several. Then choose your video settings, including resolution, aspect ratio, duration, and transition effects. You can also adjust the transition duration. For audio, you can select background music or search for tracks that best match your virtual tour. Once you've selected your preferred music, click Generate Virtual Tour. The system will create multiple versions of the tour, either per room type or a full walkthrough. This is how it will look in 3, 2, 1. Here's a full walkthrough generated from your uploaded images. Make sure the images you upload are high quality, since that will directly affect the final output. Now, the third feature is Floor Plan to Video. This allows you to turn your floor plans into a video walkthrough. Simply upload your floor plan and go to the video settings. Choose your transition effects and adjust the transition duration. You can also select background music and customize your logo. Once everything is set, click Generate, and your walkthrough will be created. After processing, you'll get a clear video showing each bedroom and room type, as well as a full walkthrough of the entire floor plan. And here you have it. 3, 2, 1, voila! That is how from floor plan to video. Alright, so there you have it. That is all. Thank you for watching. Can't wait to see what you will create.